Welcome to Stove Industry Supplies, HETAS Approved Training Centre and Replacement Parts Specialists. Today we're going to show you the most efficient way to light your appliance. Using ready to burn logs, start by placing 2 to 3 medium sized logs at the bottom. Then with the kindling build a crisscross stack. Place a firelighter at the bottom of the stack and one at the top. Light them both and close the door. Make sure your air controls are fully open to let the fire establish for approximately 5 to 10 minutes. Once your fire is established, slowly open the door, wearing gauntlets, place another log on. Start to adjust the air control, shutting down the appliance to stop the appliance from overfiring. It's important to open the door slowly to allow the air to equalise when loading the appliance. Opening the door fast will cause smoke to spill into the room. To get the most efficient burn, use a stovepipe thermometer, and this will tell you how hot your appliance is burning. This can help prevent underfiring and overfiring of your appliance, helping you to adjust the air controls to the correct setting when in use to get the most efficient burn. Enjoy your wood burning stove. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.